Hey guys, quick video about AUTOSHIP. Now, AUTOSHIP might be one of the scariest words in the network marketing industry, especially because people think it's a subscription and they think that they need to do this, right? So AUTOSHIP makes it easier for all of us. This is how we get free shipping. This is how we guarantee our position on the compensation plan if we're distributors. And of course, you can cancel an AUTOSHIP anytime. You can change the products on it. You can change the address, the credit card, all that stuff. So you're not locked into it. You're not obligated to it. But in the last 5 years, I don't think I've ever missed an AUTOSHIP because I do want to qualify my position on the compensation plan. Also, I want to actually take those products. I want my 90 essential nutrients. I want it at the lowest possible price. And for me, that definitely means getting free shipping. Really, the main thing to know is that to set up an AUTOSHIP, whether it's on Youngevity.com or the back office, if you go down to the bottom and go to the distributor back office, you can sign in there as a customer as well. I prefer the back office for some reason, but either way, when you set up your first AUTOSHIP or you set it up for the first time, you just have to set it up for the next month. That's the most important thing. So if you just signed up right now, you need to set your AUTOSHIP up for the 1st to the 28th of the next month. And you very simply just sign in wherever you want to sign in, Youngevity.com or back office or one of the other replicated sites. Doesn't matter. You could also call the company. The phone number is on the back of every product. They can help you with that. They're open 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time. If you want to cancel the AUTOSHIP, you send an email to autoship@youngevity.com. Obviously, you want to do this a bit ahead of time. If your AUTOSHIP is going through tomorrow morning and it's Sunday night, you waited too long. You can't call the company and cancel that. Other than that, the main thing you really only need to know is that there's 3 numbers next to every product in the catalog or on the website. The first number is the price. The second number is the BV, bonus volume. That only matters if you're a distributor. That's the number that you get paid on. And then QV, qualifying volume. That's the number to get AUTOSHIP or to qualify on the compensation plan. The number for free shipping for AUTOSHIP is 100 QV. Also, the basic number for distributor compensation is 100 QV. So if we order that 100 QV worth of products, which should be roughly $1 equivalent, then we get our free shipping and we qualify our basic position on the compensation plan so that we can earn commissions from the orders going on underneath us. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's not much to it. One tip, I guess, I like to do this on the desktop, and most people don't know you can hit Control F on your keyboard and it allows you to search. So Youngevity has thousands of products, and in the back office, it just shows up as a list when you're going through them. So if you press Control F, you can just search the product very quickly and get it all done very, very quickly. That's it for now, guys. Appreciate you. Until next time. If you are a distributor, if you haven't seen my longer version of the compensation plan video, definitely check that out. Hey all you Dr. Wallach supporters and Youngevity fans out there. Most of you at some point will have come up against this NutriSmart bashing of Dr. Wallach. There are a few articles that are published specifically to tarnish Dr. Wallach and his message. And I have actually written this whole book. This was a few years ago. I wrote a full-length book in rebuttal to these vicious attacks on Dr. Wallach. I believe every objection that you are going to encounter in the field is addressed in this book. It's absolutely a great resource for you to have as a distributor. And if you do ever have anybody coming up to you saying, I heard what you said about Dr. Wallach and I was going to look into some of his vitamins, but I came up against this article on the internet, NutriSmart article is probably the one they read. So it's a great deal, guys. I put it up very cheap. It's just another tool in our toolbox. And the Amazon link is in the description of this video. Make sure to check out our food YouTube channel called Notus Foods. This is 100% Dr. Wallach approved. And the chef that is preparing the food here and teaching you how to follow Dr. Wallach's food guidelines and Dr. Glidden's food guidelines. He's an industry professional, over 22 years experience and a college diploma to back it up. And we do have experienced cooks and bakers as well, working on content for the YouTube channel Notus Foods and the Instagram channel Notus Foods. It's 100% gluten-free, oil-free, all the stuff about burning fats and all of the rules that you would need to know or follow. We're here to teach it to you here, as well as give you tons of ideas for recipes, individual dishes, and meals. Of course, in the near future, we do have a cookbook coming out. Stay tuned for it. And if you'd like to talk to us directly, you can call us. Actually, you can call Judy. She's downriver Detroit. You can call from anywhere in the US, Canada, Mexico, UK, Australia, New Zealand, any other country. You want to email us or send us a DM on whatever app that you want to contact us on. Instagram is super convenient for us. And that's for any sales or product information in those countries or any distributor information.